Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You've joined the meeting and you need the whiteboard now. Make sure you have host or co-host rights. Without them, you cannot save. Click Share Screen, then choose Whiteboard from the options and press Share. Observe the Whiteboard toolbar and confirm the Save button is visible at the top right. This indicates Zoom can export your session. Once done, start your annotations. Saving won't work if the session hasn't been shared or if permissions are missing. Now focus on capturing useful content. Annotate with text and draw tools, avoid overlapping strokes, and place essential notes near the center for legibility. When ready, click Save on the Whiteboard toolbar to export a PNG snapshot to your local Zoom folder. Zoom saves sequential files, so check timestamps. Alternatively, enable cloud recording in settings and start a cloud record to include whiteboard activity. Finish by locating the exported file. Open your Zoom folder under Meetings/username/whiteboard for PNGs, or check cloud recordings in your Zoom account if you recorded. Rename and compress files as needed, then upload to your preferred drive for distribution. If the Save button wasn't available, make sure your Zoom app is updated and you have host or co-host rights. If needed, ask the meeting host to enable whiteboard saving or grant you proper permissions. One quick troubleshooting tip: restart Zoom after permission changes to refresh the UI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.